Good afternoon, traders. Charles Mutie from Acysecurities with your pre-London Open market update. Firstly, I want to talk about the dollar-yen. The big tone around the anti-risk Japanese yen has strengthened, pushing the dollar-yen lower from 110.21 to a session low of 109.91, possibly tracking the losses in the US equity index futures. We see the index futures going into a risk-off tone, with the S&P 500 currently reporting a 0.3% drop on the day. The index futures and the Asian stocks have come under pressure reportedly due to the outbreak of the coronavirus. Also, political uncertainty could be weighing over equities. The US Senate is set to begin the impeachment against President Donald Trump on Tuesday to decide on whether to convict and remove him from office on two charges: abuse of power and obstruction of Congress. The Bank of Japan just released their interest rate decision, and they have decided to hold the rate at minus 0.1%. The central bank maintained forward guidance on interest rates, saying they will remain at current or lower levels for as long as needed to guard against risk momentum. The rate decision will likely be a non-event for the markets unless the central bank offers a dovish or hawkish surprise, although that looks unlikely. On the commodity side, crude oil remains on the back foot, currently trading at around 58.42. The black gold registered a daily negative closing on Monday, despite the weak start gap up, as global policymakers firmed up actions to tame the risk emanating from the Middle East. Furthermore, the IMF forecast an absence of the US trades also weighed on the energy prices. Also disappointing, the oil bulls are comments from the International Monetary Fund, from the World Economic Forum in Davos. The Global Institute further cut down its 2019 and 2020 growth forecast to 2.9% and 3.3% respectively, but expected recovery during the current year could offer relief to the investors. Some high impact news to watch out for in the coming few hours. We have earnings and unemployment data from the UK, as well as the Eurozone economic sentiment being released in a few hours, and are likely to move the euro and the pound. Stay tuned for more market news with ACY Securities.